everybody, Pastor Mike here, and it's Wednesday. I'm really excited to bring you our first installment of our leadership training video. In the beginning of the video, you saw a pot of water slowly begin to boil with a question that asked, what is a boiling point leader? Well, at 211 degrees, water is extremely hot, but it's not yet boiling. It takes that one extra degree, 212 degrees, to get that extremely hot water to that next level, which is the boiling point. And so I look at that as in leadership as well, the boiling point. It's that one extra degree of effort that separates a good leader from a great leader. And we're going to look at that today and what that means. What is a boiling point leader? When water reaches its boiling point, the outcome is steam. Okay, so what's the big deal? Well, I'm glad you asked. See, steam is so powerful that it can power a locomotive. Well, the outcome of a boiling point leader is pretty powerful as well. And we're going to look at that today in the form of servant leadership or service. The outcome of a 212 degree leader, servant leadership. So what does that look like? What does servant leadership really look like? Well, servant leadership has been around, that concept has been around for probably 30 or 40 years, if not longer. And really what servant leadership is the choice to be a servant first with the aspiration of leading in the process. So we look at someone who wants to lead but sees how important it is to serve first in the process of becoming a leader. And that is a great thing. I believe that that is a boiling point leader. That is that extra measure of leadership because it is different than a leader first mentality. The leader first mentality says, well, I'm just going to lead and I'm not going to serve. I'm going to be in that place of leadership without serving others. I'm just going to lead and I'm going to use my power and authority to lead others. Well, a servant leader says otherwise. A servant leader, and you look at who Jesus was. Jesus was a servant leader. So, okay, when you say servant leadership has been around for 30 or 40 years, that's not really true. Jesus was the original servant leader. He served as he led. And I think that is incredible. And the outcome is really powerful. Let's take Jesus for a moment. When Jesus was around and walking through the hillsides and the countrysides, what did he do? He served the people. He went to their homes. He healed them. He ministered to them. And he never exerted his authority over them first. He always led them first. And so when you look at that kind of outcome of someone who wants to serve others in the process of being a leader, in the process of leading them, man, there is no telling what the outcome will be. And really, the best test, and it's really difficult to administer, is this. And the question is this: do those that I'm serving, or are those that I'm serving, are they growing as individuals? Are they growing as people because of my service to them? Are they growing in the Spirit because of my willingness to serve them, to minister to them? Versus me just being a boss and saying, well, I'm going to lead you no matter what, and all else is just going to kind of fall by the wayside because I feel it's important to just be the leader. I don't want to serve you. You got to kind of learn it on your own. Well, that's not really a great way of leading them. Serving them is incredible. And another question that you can ask is, while I'm serving them, are they becoming healthier? Are they becoming wiser? Are they becoming more independent? Are they more likely to become servants themselves by watching me serve them as I lead them? And so servant leadership is really, to me, that next level of leadership in how we can become incredible leaders, going from a good leader to a great leader. And that's something for us all to think about. And so as we bring this little bit to a close, servant leadership, that next level, that extra degree of leadership as a boiling point leader, man, just like steam powering a locomotive is incredible to be able to watch and see how that moves such a big piece of equipment. The outcome of servant leadership from a boiling point leader to be able to bring people to that next level of their own growth and seeing them become smarter and healthier and wanting to become servants themselves is an incredible, incredible outcome. And so that's what I got for you today. Servant leadership, service, if you will, to people in your community, in your neighborhoods, in the church, those that you come in contact with. Servant leadership is the next step and the next level of being a boiling point leader. I'll talk to you next week, and I will see you on Sunday. Peace out.